Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing HCF problems. In the last session, we have discussed the problem related to HCF first model based on that is same remainder case. Now, in this session, I am going to discussing about the problems related to HCF different remainders concept. Here, see the first question in this session. Find the greatest number that will divide 148, 246 and 623, leaving the remainders 4, 6 and 11 respectively. Whenever the numbers and their respective remainders are different, so we have to use the concept HCF second model different remainders concept. In that case, our required number is, what is our required number whenever the remainders are different? As like if the remainders are same and that to mention, you need to subtract directly whatever the remainder is given in the problem, that remainder will be subtracted. For different remainders, you need to subtract their respective remainders from the given numbers. HCF of x minus r1 comma y minus r2 comma z minus r3, z minus r3. Here x, y, z, these are the given numbers, whereas r1, r2 and r3, these are their respective remainders. Now you can substitute all the values and subtract their respective remainders. Then you can go with HCF. Here it is, the first number is 148 minus 4 and the second one is 246 minus 6 and the third one is 623 minus 11. Here first number is 144 and second number is 240 and third one is 612. Here these are the numbers, 623 minus 11 which is equal to 612. Here these are the final numbers after subtracting the remainders. Now you can go with the HCF. I will take first two numbers. Here the first number is 144 and the second number is 240. Go with long division method. Divide 240 with 144. Here it is 144 ones are 144. Here the remainder is 96. Next, divide 144 with 96 one time only. And next, remainder is 48. Again divide 96 with 48, remainder 0. 48 2s are 96, remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of first two numbers is 48. HCF of first two numbers is 48. Now you can go with this 48 and third number, right? Now you can divide 612 and 48. 612 with 48. Here it is how many times it will cancel, 612 and 48 means let us take up to if it is 10 times, that is 480. Again if you add 3 more times, that will become 144. Now if you add these two, what you will get? 624. That will crosses. So here it is 10 times is 480 and still two more times if you add from those, what you will get here? 6, 7 and 576. So 48 12s are 48 12s are 576. Now you can subtract these two. Here it is 24 and 12 36. After that, again divide previous divisor with this remainder one time 36 and next the remainder is 12. Now you can divide the previous divisor 36 with 12. 12 3s are 36. Now you got the remainder as 0. You got the remainder as 0 by dividing with 12. Therefore, the greatest number that will divide 148, 246, 623 so as to leave the remainders 4, 6 and 11, that is 12. HCF of those numbers is 12. That is the required answer for this question. Guys, I hope you understand. Let's move on to the next question. See here, Find the highest number. Find the highest number that will divide 392, 515, 906. Leaves the remainders 8, 3, 10 respectively. Here also this is belongs to different remainders concept as like previous problem. And guys, don't confuse about this particular word. Sometimes he may mention about highest, sometimes he may mention greatest, largest, whatever it is that belongs to HCF only, right? Now here if you see that all the numbers, these are the given numbers. Let us take x, y and z, and the respective remainders are r1, r2 and r3. So required number is same as that of previous one, which is equal to HCF of x minus r1. Here x minus r1 in the sense 392 minus 8. 392 minus 8. And next one is 515 minus 3. And last one is 906 minus 10. Therefore, first number becomes 392 minus 8, 384. Second number 512. Third number 896. Now we need to calculate the HCF of all these three numbers. First I will take first and second number 384 and 512. Here it is one time 384 and still here it is 12 means 8, 10, 2, 4, 1, 128. 128 and 384. Divide 384 with 128. 128 threes are 384. Why? Because 100 threes are 300, 28 threes are 84. So the remainder becomes 0. HCF of first two numbers. HCF of first two numbers is 128. Now you can take this 128 and 896. Divide 896 with 128. Once check it out 7 times. 128 sevens. Here it is 127 sir, 840. 8 sevens are 56. Sum of these two 896 it satisfies, it exactly divides 128 sevens are 896. Remainder is 0. Here we got the same result as that of previous one. Why? Because this 896 is exactly divisible with 128. Therefore, the answer for this question is 128. The meaning of this question is 120 is the highest or largest number that will divide 392, 515, 906 so as to leave remainders 8, 3 and 10 respectively. That is the meaning of that question. Guys, that's all about HCF second model different remainders concept. Now in the next session we are going to discussing about few more problems related to HCF. That's all about this session. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much for watching.